Dragon Dee. Dee dance. It's time to dance with Dr. Candy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start! Ta-da! The ground is shaking. Bong, boing, boing. The monster moles are coming. Let's start digging. Diggy, diggy, dig. Now, dig down and back up. Up, down, up. Left scoop and jump. Right scoop and jump. Big scoop and jump. Take a step back. Tiptoe, spin around. Diggy, diggy, dig. Now, dig down and back up. Up, down, up. Left side, ew. Right side, ew. What is this? Ew. Ew, it stinks. Go back to your spot. Dig a hole forward. Dig a hole downward. Dig a hole forward. Up, down, up. Left side, shoot. Right side, shoot. You can do it, shoot. Take a step back. Let's shake. Shake it. Shaky, shaky, shake. Diggy, diggy, dig. Now, dig down and back up. Heads up and back and look straight. Phew, we made it. That was fun. Let's do the dance one more time. 3, 2, 1. Start!
Boing!
Boink!
Ah! Moles are coming!
Let's start digging!
Moles dig a hole. With our hands. Dig a hole. Here we go. Moles dig a hole.
Boing!
With our noses.
We smell them all! Here we go!
Ew! Did you just fart?
You got me. Moles dig a hole.
Boink! Mo! With our claws! Mo! We fight all! Mo!
Where do I go?
Boom! Smash!
No! Please stop! Dig around, underground,